So the MBNA Tackle Together programme is our specific disability programme. So we go into SEN schools across the Northwest and work with lots of different children, provide them inclusive opportunities through tag rugby and wheelchair rugby. So today we're at a Lancastrian school in West Didsbury and we're doing one of our MBNA Tackle Together festivals. What we do is basically come into the school, we engage with the whole school across the day and run sharp, really fun and engaging 30-minute sessions across the course of the day.
The MBNA Tackle Together programme has been fantastic for our children. They absolutely love it and they're forever asking me, when are Sale Sharks coming back? When are Sale Sharks coming back?
It's just opening up more schools to be able to use the facilities that MBNA have provided for us to be able to use. It's just great for the children and schools all need this.
Like really excited. I'm just like, yes, this is my moment to shine.
Yeah, I really enjoy the sessions. I really like it because it mixes with lots of different children playing lots of games. I really like the tag rugby.
For us, it just felt far more inclusive because you've got the children who are already in the chairs and then the children who aren't had a much better appreciation of what it's like for children in chairs and how they cope.
This programme has allowed me to, at Sharks, be able to do so much more than I ever thought I'd be able to do. Just seeing, say, one kid achieve something that you never thought they were going to achieve, that is the best thing that could ever happen to me. Like, that's more of achievement than even a medal for me. So I think it's all the smiles, the laughter, them feeling included, that's the main part for me. And seeing that is just the best thing ever.